Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So we have got the moon and the king of swords. So Cancer, this is your current energy, the moon. Cancer people, are you going through some kind of a tough time in life? Okay, perhaps you are not opening up your heart in front of everyone or anyone. Okay, it seems like you are hiding your pain. It seems like you are hiding something, and not from your family or friends, but with the person with whom you are in love with. Okay, you are not showing your anger, your frustration, your irritation, your bad behavior to your person. You are hiding your emotions, you are holding back your emotions, you are hiding your pain. Okay, perhaps you are someone who is being very pampered by your friends and family, but still somewhere somehow you feel that you do not need their pampering. You need your person's presence in your life, and that thing is making you really sad. On the other hand, we have King of Swords. This is your partner's current energy, Cancer. Your person is king. This person knows their responsibility. Okay, so there is no, you need not to doubt about it. Okay, the sword tells me that this person is someone who is very calm yet energetic. All right, this person is someone who takes actions, but they take their own time to come forward. Okay, they analyze each and everything like a king. They are very mature person, Cancer. Okay, so they take actions when they feel that now it's time for me to take a lead. Okay, and if I talk about from a relationship perspective, so I feel that this person, Cancer, with whom you are dealing with right now, is someone who must be getting a lot of excuse me, sorry. So this person must be getting a lot of proposals and offer in terms of love and emotion, but they are being very stern and stubborn. I do not want anybody else except my Cancer person. Okay, so this is their current energy right now. Oops, sorry. Now let's see what is the mutual current energy between Cancer and their person. What is the mutual current energy between Cancer and their person? Something is there to know, something is there for someone to understand, and Cancer, I feel that you had waited for this person for a very long time, and your wait has been over now. Okay, you have got the clarity, you have got that much of maturity, so that you can take this person into your life. So you are mature enough. Okay, and I'm seeing that your person is also very mature enough to understand what my Cancer person is asking me to do in this relationship, and vice versa. Okay, so if I talk about this card, it seems like there is something for you to know, Cancer, that it's okay. If something is not happening as per my wish right now, in future, I believe in God, I believe in divine, so in future definitely I'm going to get something best out of it. Okay, so this is something which is essence of maturity. Okay, now let's see, Cancer people, how your person how your person is seeing you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Okay. Friendliness, the dream, new vision. Okay, so if I talk about the first card, how your person sees you, they see you as somebody who is a very friendly kind of a person. Okay, you are someone who keeps everyone happy around you. You are someone who is who is very respectable and lovable among your friend circle. Okay, apart from that, if I talk about from your person's perspective, your person also sees you as somebody as their best friend. Okay, even no matter how hard the situations you are seeing right now or you have seen in past, you are someone who is always there to support them. And this is the one thing which they really really love about you. Okay, the current actions, the current action which your person is taking towards you is nothing but, yes, they are dreaming about you. Perhaps some certain situations are there for them which are not allowing them to move from their current place, but it's not that they do not want to meet you or they don't want to take any action towards you. They are dreaming about you. They think about you 24/7 because they love you. All right, they are dreaming about you. But I can feel that in future I'm seeing some new hope for you in this relationship. It seems like your person is going to get a new vision in future. Okay, that it's okay, it's been so long and my person is waiting for me, or my person wants to hear something from me. Now I should I should take this relationship to a next level, or I should think about this relationship from a different perspective, or from a commitment perspective. So some kind of a new vision they are going to experience in future, and accordingly they will take actions. Okay, okay. So Cancer people, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Pisces. Okay, we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign in this reading. We have fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this reading. And some of you could be dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, so Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.